Alright everyone, we're here at Valley's Car Wash, and sorry about the crinkling noise. I'm wearing a poncho because it is literally raining cats and dogs.
Or it was 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, it was. Anyway, they have a Laserwash 4000, unless it's been replaced. Nope, it's still a Laserwash. You know what? I'm gonna take off the poncho for this recording. Anyway, I'm gonna get out and walk through it, so I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so here is the pay station. The works is $5. That's extremely cheap. Signage out there. This is very old Laserwash signage. There's a ton of bird crap in here. What, do birds live here? Whatever. Undercarriage. Looks like this used to be a manual bay, cause this. Got your reflector plate and treadle. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. There's your signage over there. You got your drive forward, stop, back up. Your car is soaking, washing, sorry, I misread it. It's waxing. And then spot free rinse. There's a look at the machine. You can see where the old PDQ logo was right there. T-bar. And then superior blowers. Now if we go back over to the entrance, there is actually the old control box right here. So let's go through it. About to head in. Let's watch the signage turn on. Oh, there it is. Drive forward. There's moss growing there. That's not good. Very late underbody. Stop. Pre-soak. Oh, that's not good. It's not moving. Oh, now it is. That took forever. Oh. I don't like that noise. There's a CD that committed dead up there. Waxing. Look at how slowly that's moving. can see the CD up there that committed dead. It's like right about there. Because it's hanging by a string, the CD on the ceiling. I mean, the wax smells good. It smells like Rain-X. Spot-free rinse. This thing is so old and poor. Like, look at the arm. It's all like broken or eaten away. These Superior dryers are in good condition. Here they come. Well, I pointed up here. Oh man, dude, this thing is unstable. Anyway, I pointed up here because it was spraying out mist. Like, it was misting water. I'll give a review. 1 second, guys. Oh, and also, the dryer timer literally never gave any information. It was just 0. Recording, by the way. So, what did you think?
Oh my gosh. That arm. Sorry, I don't know what it's doing. The arm in the wash bay was green.
Yeah, it was moss.
I have never in Utah seen moss grow anywhere. Like, that shocks me that it's so neglected that it can grow moss.
Yeah, and the left, or whatever, from the driver's perspective, the right side blower was shaking unstably when it was winding down. I think its impeller needs replacing.
Wow. Yeah.
Didn't have tri-foam, didn't have clear coat.
I wouldn't suggest this particular car wash, but it is only $5.
I mean, yeah, $5. I mean,
$5, that's something that the top wash is $5. I think that would be worth it. So I think that the owner understands how old the system is and is looking to give people a good deal. So
what? Well, I mean, this place seems really run down.
it is.
I would say 7 out of 10, because you can't really expect much from a system like that.
Yeah. Yeah. Well,
you got a bunch of vacuums,
that was
though.
Generous of you.
Yeah, that was, and generous of the owner to put a bunch of vacuums.
Yep.
I think there used to be another vacuum like right there, but I guess it was torn out.
Maybe, yeah.
It looks like they're all the same. So yeah, that's the Laserwash. Again, 7 out of 10. Wouldn't recommend coming here unless you're looking for a super cheap and quick wash. And there's pigeons feeding off of what?
So cute. All right.
Anyway, that's the Laserwash. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. That'll be it.